Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Shelby. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, Shelby.
She's not taking big
Yummy.
bites. She's just taking lips.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, now you're getting to it.
Now you found it. Ooh, it's inside too.
It doesn't even come off good.
Daddy pick you out strawberry shortcake cupcake.
You got a little strawberry on it.
Woohoo!
Shelby, look at mommy. Ah,
Oh, there's strawberry filling in it. No.
is it good?
You like it?
Mmm.
Can have some?
Let's see, she'll share with you.
I hope he does.
What do you think you're doing?
Would
You're
it
not-
be funny if she just
No,
put
it's
a
fine.
cupcake in her
Can I have a
face?
piece? Ew, cool.
It would be funny if she just put the cupcake in Ken's face.
God, they still get you one.
A bite?
Shall we grab it and put it in Ken's face?
Oh, you should give me one.
Mmm.
No way. Yeah,
Take a piece.
right out your mouth.
Boy.
Ain't your birthday yet?
She's upset. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Here, let me wipe it off.
Smear it.
You want to take it off, Sissy? Oh no, you're just going to keep eating it? No.
Yeah. Bye bye.
You want to give Zachary some?
All right, let her eat it. Yum.
It's not for you either. You got to get try.
That's
I
good
can't lick my
stuff.
nose.
Can't
You
reach.
go up, not down.
I can't.
That's good, huh, Shelby?
Let's see if she give you some. I want to see.
No, you got nothing in your hand. I don't want that. Pick some up.
Lick your fingers. You got that.
Stop. I'm gonna hit
Stop.
you.
Now.
Oh, grab a piece. Look.
That was mine.
Oh, I just get some.
Mmm. Oh.
Yeah, shake that head, baby girl. Mm. She wants to give you a piece.
She's not high. That's all. You she
Get
had
a
it.
piece.
So you're stuck now.
Yum.
Shelby.
Okay.
Ah.
Yay, Shelby.
Yay, Shelby sharing.
Oh, she could be hyper on like now.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Sorry for you two.
Shelby's birthday, first birthday. I died on one night. Thank you.
Oh, Fred really taking all my shake.
Correct. Have some.
No,
She's
no
just
thanks. I'm not.
devouring that cake.
She loves it so much. She loves it even more than her doll. She even had her favorite doll.
Thanks. Thanks, Mom and
Shelby.
Dad.
Yum, 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 yum.
I really do like strawberry shortcake.
She got her like BB arm. You like to give some more. You want some meat?
What you gonna do with it? Oh. Oh.
She's making a portrait.
She's trying to stash it.
What you gonna do?
She's trying to save it for later.
Like a chicken.
Mm.
You're gonna stash like a chicken.
Ooh, it's good stuff. I died on one of you. Okay.
She's saving it for one thing.
Oh, you want some? Bet she want to give you some. Come on, get some.
Sissy had clean
I'll hold
face now.
camera.
She gonna lick her
You
fingers.
can get some.
Can you stop?
I'll hold it.
Look, she's licking her fingers.
Go away.
Look at
Oh, you got a new one. She's like, give me the new one. I got a messy one.
Ethan, look at Shelby. Ethan. Shelby wants your
She's
cupcake.
trying to get your cupcake. Stop.
She can't work.
She can have the lipstick.
Okay. Why are you giving her another?
Yeah,
I
don't
want
give her
another.
it.
No, I don't want her.
No, she don't need no more.
Go get.
She
Go,
just give her
change
away.
it. Go get your new one. Put that one up.
She can have this for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
If she'd be good.
She's
She's
not
always
always
good.
good.
Sometimes. That was some pizza.
Is it good?
I was gonna say
Just probably trying. She'll be good.
Is it good?
When was it wrong? You look like some funny in your mouth.
What about this guy?
Stop.
He's got a cupcake, huh?
What's that cupcake now? You want the cupcake? You want that cupcake? No, thank you. No.
Give me the food.
Gonna infect y'all with some cupcake.
Get your cupcake. Eat it all.
Everywhere. It's everywhere.
I'm all done.
Yay! Yay!
Shelby.
And many
I want here.
more.
You look like a monkey. Hey, you smell like one too.
Look at her. She's so funny.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yay! It's my party! Yay!
No, I had enough.
Okay.